travel days are always a little tiring, especially when this happens. Needless to say, we weren't going to make our destination after dealing with the accident. It was in the high 90s and humid, so a parking lot overnight wasn't going to cut it. What to do? Welcome to the Llama's 3-Minute Campsite Review. After our travel day mishap, we needed a quick overnight. I figured I'd get through the always congested Atlanta and find a place during our next gas stop. South of Atlanta, we stopped at a Love's Travel Center. I opened the Love's app to get my gas discount and checked out the RV tab while filling up. There was a travel center with RV sites another 200 miles down the road. I booked it right on the app and continued on, not sure what to expect. I've seen some on YouTube that are just sites off the main parking lot, and others that are standalone fenced-off RV parks. Ours in Cordele turned out to be the latter. Check-in was simple. Just punched in the code I was given after booking, the gate opens, and the power is turned on at my site. Check-in is as early as 2 p.m., and because it's all automated, you can check in late at night. Check-out time is at noon. The park in Cordele has 42 sites, with 13 being pull-through that can accommodate larger rigs. All sites were full hookup. It was super clean, I believe brand new, with all concrete pads. Although ours wasn't level, you can see it's lower in the back and on the slide side. The park had private showers and quite a few amenities for those visiting the area and not just doing an overnight. The lights are on all night for safety, so good blackout shades help. And I was amazed that the noise from the semi-parking just over this fence wasn't loud and we had no problem sleeping. I was going to give this place a higher ranking, but there's one big problem with the system. Our drive home from southern Florida, Chicago had to be done in 3 days because of work. So I planned on staying here again to overnight on the way home. I booked on the app 3 days in advance. Confirmation email was received. Even on our arrival day, I was hit with another email confirming our check-in. Once I arrived, I entered the code, the gate opened, but no electric at the site. I called customer service and was told that there was a storm 3 days prior to our arrival that knocked out the power to all the sites, and it wasn't fixed yet. So why did I get a day of check-in email? That's a big flaw in the system. Needless to say, we had to scramble and find a nearby park at 6 p.m. Not what you want after a long travel day. All in all, this was a good overnight, full hookup, open the slides option at a reasonable $39 plus taxes and fees. Clean, safe, and right next to the travel stop. So grabbing breakfast and gassing up in the morning is a breeze. Loves, just fix that glitch in your system for an extra ranking point. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep roaming.